Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Elena. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get this very useful and very nice looking Procreate widget, especially in iPadOS 15. So yeah, let's get started. I actually quite like this widget because sometimes I feel like I don't have like a great picture of what I'm doing while I'm drawing. So seeing like a small version of the canvas of the drawing makes me like realize if I should paint some areas in different color or if I should change some details. So that's why I really like this widget. Also because it looks really nice as decoration, you know, when you have some widgets that just show like a picture that you really like. Well, this one it's like showing the drawing you like the most. For the video, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.